Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to get sort of like a de facto online mode in SDS. Now, since this isn't really the best method, you are going to need a couple things, and that really just includes either having a laptop or a PC or having a Android device. This does not work on iOS, unfortunately. Okay, let's get into this. So this is how to install, or I guess do the online mode on your laptop. Firstly, the main way it works is by using a screen sharing program called Parsec. Here it is. And the way it works is, oh, it's kind of showing it here. The way it works is essentially you connect somebody else to your device and it lets them play on it. And pairing this with an emulator, which is something that lets you play SDS while on laptop, it basically allows people just to play locally with you while also being online because they're being screen shared by you. So what you're gonna do is download this. For Android, it should be on the Play Store. iOS is not on the App Store, which is why this doesn't work on iOS. Parsec is the main thing you need to play online in this way. If you're planning on hosting, like if you're planning on being the one who connects people to your computer, you need a computer. um, but to actually connect, you either need an Android device or a laptop or computer, whatever. So get Parsec, and then the other thing is you're gonna need to get BlueStacks, which is an emulator that lets you play mobile games. And on this emulator, you can find I can't spell Supreme Duelist. That's not Supreme Duelist. You can find Supreme Duelist, and you can basically just download it and then play it on your PC. And like I said, how this works, you would just connect somebody to your PC while you have the emulator active, and you would just play with them, basically. Okay, this is BlueStacks. It's literally just like an Android emulator. As you can see, I have Supreme Duelist on here. To normally get it, you would just go into the store and search it, whatever. Uh, Supreme Duelist, like you're on Android or whatever. And it's just here, and then it would just say it would say installed by I already have it active. And if you're planning on hosting, I can show the ways that you set up controls for people. You know, so if you just want to play Supreme Duelist on like PC, I guess. Okay. Let me pick a basic map. Where's Desolation? Where's Desolation when you need it? Oh, there it is. Actually, let me use the new map. Let me use Seaport. Okay, as you can see, two characters. You're gonna want to go to this right here. It's the keyboard looking icon, and then this is how you manage the game controls. And if I go to controls editor, you can see the type of stuff that I have right here. So right now I have IJKL on your keyboard. It literally just looks like WASD, and these are the arrow keys. So if you'd be playing with a friend, IJKL would be how they move, and arrow keys would be how you move, or whatever you pick, essentially. And you can edit these too. But yeah, arrow keys, as you can see, I'm using the arrow keys right now. I am moving, and it works. And then IJKL, hoorah. And you can also use mouse. You can just straight up use mouse, which I think is better for aim, but it's not better for like since Parsec is laggy, mouse is kind of hard to use sometimes, and also you have to be like if you lose like sight of the joystick, you have to like go back. It does get pretty tricky. I know it looks pretty easy right now, but it does get tricky. Um, that's basically the gist. If you want to add controls, let me show that too. If you want to add these, you need to go over to the D-pad, and then you need to type in what letters you want them to use. So if I want to do like WASD, and then like switch it with, then it just works like this. Once you download Parsec, it should look like this. This would be how you connect to a computer, as in like if you're the one who's playing and not hosting. And once you have a player, they should be down here somewhere. And if you click on them, you can alter the controls. The three controls you can give them are gamepad, mouse, and keyboard. So if you want them to use like the arrow keys to play, only give them the keyboard controls and stuff like that. These are the settings. I recommend using this one seems good, but I haven't really used it. What was I talking about? I recommend putting this one on in case you want to be able to control your mouse. It should basically just give you, like, if the person who's playing with you wants to use the mouse, you can use this to sort of keep them from like controlling it too much, basically. That is the main thing. But yeah, that will be it for now.